inside the jungle, far from anywhere. There's a place that no one knows, but we can take you there. It's Jungle Junction. It's Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Life is fast and friendly, and everyone you meet. Buzzers ground on high-speed roads with wheels instead of feet. At Jungle Junction. At Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Now Zooter zooms around, she keeps the jungle running right. Ellie Van the elephant is ready day and night. That fuzzy funny bungo wants to know when you'll arrive. So if you got the need for speed, come on, let's take a drive to Jungle Junction. To Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Junction. To Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction.
Finally gonna draw this this brave Count Dracula related dragon. Looks like Leatherwing. Tonight we're gonna draw a dark necrobat from Mega Man. I don't know much of his personality. This guy looks like
now
one.
Zooms around, she keeps the jungle running right. Ellie Van the elephant is ready day
One
and
fast
night.
guy.
That fuzzy funny bungo wants to know when you'll arrive. So if you've got the need for speed, come on, let's take a drive to Jungle Junction.
Hear the ears?
Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction. Junction. To Jungle Junction. Jungle Junction.
Alexa, play the Ghost Whip.
Here's Lego Ninjago Weekend Whip, the Ghost Whip remix by Ninjago Music and The Fold on Amazon Music.
Here's the Jaws. bats. Did you guys see the latest episode of Thumb Wrestling Federation? How I would have made it? I can't believe Senator Skull did that to Batboy. I mean, I almost thought that Batboy would have some sort of secret power. That would be an interesting idea. May I consider it a idea for him to add new fighters on the team? Fighters that I came up with? And I also would like to add soundtracks from other shows to add it to the bios on the thumbs. Like Loki Chase, soundtrack for Evil Ira, Lead Scythes Migration for most of the wrestlers that have ominous powers. And for the TWF champions, we would like to put the champion song after they became winners and saved the TWF. Here's the gear. There. And finish. That's how you draw a dark necrobat. Just consider it done. Alexa, name a few species of bats.
Here's something I found on the web. According to wikipedia.org, the common names of the species includes Papuan sheath-tailed bat and Trouton's pouched bat.
That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later.